Good morning, everybody. Pagan Ellipsis. One-way ticket is coming very soon, man. But in the meantime, I gotta keep it moving myself, you know what I mean? So that's what I'm gonna do right here. I'm gonna do the unthinkable. Look. Every day I wake up and deal with an affair that I won't hesitate to break up. You're itchy in your own skin, I'm comfortable in mine. So if somebody wanna fish, then put something on the line. See, I don't give a fuck about how you spit to the beat. My opinion of you is based on your opinion of me, and my rule is to be whatever, just make sure it's always you. So I talk a lot of shit, but it's always true. Some dudes found computers, play with them and listen. Got a little taste which graduated to addictions. Constantly complained about a flavor that was missing. The fact that they never had it led to hating dudes and bitching, to the point where seeing other people failing on their mission made them smile as if it somehow validated their existence. And all this bullshit is telling me something. You know you're something when they tell you you're nothing. But when I hold the mic, tell them I am cold as ice, ready to crush them, ready to knock the wheels off whatever they bustin'. On that note, just tell them I'm buzzing, cause I raise the bar high, getting heroin isn't any consumption. Mediocre is unacceptable, and L is disgusting. Just dope is a waste of time, may as well have been nothing. If somebody say I'm not bad, I'm dissing them on impulse. I'm at the point where being called sick is like an insult. So if somebody asks why they ain't feeling nothing new, let me answer with a question: who the fuck are you? The question is